play hide and seek? I see you.
Sounds like Ron Sawyer. And hear it again. See, guys? She sounds just like Ron Sawyer. So hope y'all enjoyed that video. So give me 935 likes on my channel. So bye, guys.